Welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
This is the D-Shitty. I've got a 1986 Dodge Power Ram 50, 2.6 liter 4-cylinder. I've done a lot to this thing. I just did headers. I did that a while ago, and then I did 2-inch all the way back. I just took a Weber carb. I put it on there a while ago, and because my old one, get on it and it would stick full throttle, and then I'd kind of be screwed. New cell plug wires, and I just added some more stickers onto my roof. Well, when I first got it, it was kind of a hunk of crap. And the person who I got it from used to wheel it. So yeah, when I first came to pick it up, it had swampers on the back, 33s. It also came with another parts truck. Now, I think this was the deal of a lifetime, because this one ran and drove. The other one was a parts truck, but it was, you know, it was crappy. The motor was seized and everything. I got it for 300 bucks. That's a hell of a deal, because I sold that other truck for 500. I made all my money back, plus more. Now, after a while of driving it, I had a burnt valve. So I redid the whole head job. About a month after that, my tranny went out. So once my tranny went out, I put a new clutch in it, and I took the tranny out of my red truck and I put it in this thing. Now, I should have never dailied my wheeler, because stuff has gone wrong. As you can see, I got a 5-gallon jug on the back, and that's only because my gas gauge doesn't work. That's emergency gas for when I run out, and a little bit dirty. I just got these headlights, which are really nice, for 70 bucks, which is a hell of a deal. They're super bright. And this and my light bar, man, people don't want to have their brights on in front of me. These trucks, they have these things called jet valves, which are another valve for fuel economy and air and fuel ratio. Now, I took those out and I put solid bolts through, which made my gas mileage worse, but they burn out frequently, and that's a problem that these little trucks used to always have. That's what happens a lot. They would burn up and they would stick. Now, the carburetor I've got on here is the Weber 3236. I originally took it off my red truck, along with the mounting plate and everything like that. And it had a squeal that I couldn't figure out at first. And then I realized it was sucking air through one of the seals down there. And so I fixed that. It sounded like a supercharger when I was... These headers I got off of Amazon for pretty cheap. They were like 120 bucks. A lot of people think that this is two-wheel drive. You know, mini truck you really wouldn't expect to be four-wheel, but this is. So when I put the swampers on it, I bent up fenders pretty bad. They were so stuffed that I only had about that much room. Now, this dent back here happened when the last owner got rear-ended. Now, I've taken this thing to Mudfest and Mountaintop Mud Bogs. Of course, that's going to do some wear and tear on it. And that's why I probably shouldn't be driving it as daily. Now, new tires really made a big difference. Since I've had this truck, it's always been known as the D-Shitty, and all my friends love it, so I decided to make merchandise for it. Now, there's only one good way to hold your light bar in, and that's with these things right here, zip ties. Also, I might be holding in my lights a little bit, but thank Scotty for letting me feature my truck in his video. Now, if you guys want to follow my Instagram and my YouTube, it's right here.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.